Good morning, folks.
Yesterday my hand hurt because I put it on the stove and burned my hand really good and had some butter on it.
Put your brother down in there. Come here. Come here, handsome.
Handsome.
Come on. Donovan, bring your straw. What's that? You got a straw? Let me see.
Take a picture?
You will take a picture in just a moment. Come on. Y'all got to finish getting dressed and eat. Donovan, stop hitting your brother with the straw. SJ, keep John in here because the gate's not up. Donovan, come here.
Exit the night. Done.
Thank you. Go into the bathroom.
Hey, sunshine.
Stand up. Stand up.
No.
Stand up. And come on, man. Sit down so I can put your shoe on. Sit down so I can put your shoe on. Looks like at least we know who we're going to be having fun with every morning to get ready.
You can't do it.
First day of school.
No.
It's just water. You're okay. Pick your head up or it's going to drip on you. He going to play with every friend.
I'm going to kindergarten.
Yes, you are. Awesome. Shiny. Oh, go open the door and let Dirk out. At the time, we are driving to school. Oh, actually, you ain't got the seatbelt on yet? Donnie.
Not funny.
We're not laughing. We're on our way to school this morning. Say yeah.
I don't think.
You don't think what? Oh, I gotta fix Shawnee's mirror. John, you gonna take your brother to school? Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, Jesus. Yeah. Mom, I'm gonna walk with you.
Baby, we don't live nowhere near
Oh.
close enough for you to be able to walk.
Like when I get into school, I'll walk to.
Oh, big boy? Like the big boy? Oh, when you get to it's the first day. Can we walk you to class on the first day?
Yeah.
I'd appreciate that. I think we'd all do some good walking big brother to class.
Yeah.
But I think it's Monday, so I
Where's
think
my backpack?
I got. Good job.
Where's
Mama's
my
got
backpack too?
I got you guys' backpacks. Mama got the backpack. I put them in the car already. That would have been a bit much to try to ask you to get done this morning with all the jitters. Oh.
Oh, I thought we were going over there.
Over where?
Over there.
What's over there? What's over there?
I thought you were going over there to get pizza.
No.
Pizza.
Pizza's not for dinner tonight. We're having turkey breasts, broccoli, carrots, and stuffing
Carrots.
with gravy.
Huh?
Broccoli, carrots, turkey breast.
And what else?
Stuffing and gravy. Or cranberry.
Cranberry.
I think there's some cranberry back there. Some
Nutty.
cranberry jelly. Nutty. 1, 2, 3, nutty.
Nutty.
Look at you, boys.
Like, when Mama says 1, 2, 3, nutty, you have to say nutty.
So my littles are at school, and all I can think about is I need a mimosa. I need a mimosa for real. I'm so excited for them to begin their journeys. No tears this morning. We made it with no tears at all. Donnie did his little mean face. But other than that, very smooth, great morning. My nerves are a little bad. Good thing I have a few things to do, in a sense of getting stuff taken care of and taking my grandmother to the store and stuff like that. So Shawnee and I will be moving around to kind of help these jitters mommy has. Yeah, because you guys know this is Donnie's first time away from mommy, and I'll go into details on Mommy Monday video, okay? But first day of school morning went great. You guys, what up, everyone? Hey. Yeah, chun chun chun. Yeah, chun chun chun. Are you playing with the pantry? Hey, you playing with the pantry? You playing with the pantry? Okay, so I'm better. I was away and out for a minute because it's quiet. Thank the Lord. My grandmother needed to get out and about because who was stuck on like super mopey. Oh, hey. I need those. We need to eat those in like one piece. So who was stuck on super mopey? Me. Right now I am oiling down the pan. Actually prepping dinner. We're going to do a roasted chicken breast, some cornbread stuffing, and there will be, that's what I forgot. There will be broccoli, carrots, onions, all that good stuff. With cooking with the chicken breast. And what I got here, I did a lot of my seasonings in a soft butter, and I'm going to coat the chicken breast with that. I'm actually going to attempt to do this caramel apple cheesecake as well. But yeah, about to cut up my carrots and just cut up my onions and stuff like that. Prepping dinner. It was quiet. It was too quiet. It was quiet in my car. It was quiet everywhere. Did I put that broccoli in the freezer? I hope not. I don't know where it is. I thought I put the broccoli in the refrigerator so it wouldn't freeze and I can cook it today. But now all I'm seeing is my spinach and my lettuce. So, but yes, who was a little I don't know. I didn't know. Honestly, I almost had a breakdown. Not a breakdown, but I almost like went into sunken place of nothingness in a sense because I did not know what to do with all that. And I did put it in the freezer. Boo. I didn't know what to do with all that silence. So, oh, there's green beans too. But I'm gonna put green beans on top of the broccoli. So we're good here. I need to find. Oh, and then I'm gonna do gravy, turkey gravy on top of that. I don't know if I'm gonna do it with the driblets or if I'm gonna look in my pantry and see if I actually have some turkey gravy and then doctor it up. We'll figure it out. But yeah, sunken place. I was just kind of going into the sunken place of quiet and not having to hustle. Like, it was crazy. You guys can ask Gigi because I was just really, I don't know. It wasn't going a good direction. Like, it was not going a good direction at all. But thank the Lord, Gigi needed to get out and about. Being out and about, talking, laughing, all that good stuff with her helped me just get out of wherever I was going. And then I actually had to go pick up the twins and stuff like that, which ended up taking most of the morning. So I'm actually probably going to go get the little boys here in about an hour and a half, roughly 2 hours. Yeah. And of course this fella, tripped on the crackers. You so silly. And of course, this fella right here. But he's really good. Like, if Leslie needs something, he be chilling. Say, I nursed some, and I napped some, and I was just rolling. So, with that being said, we're in a better place. That's all that matters, right? Let's get this dinner done. Jay, look who it is. How was your first day of school?
Good.
It was good? Mm-hmm. I said, yeah, put your cookies down, because you know if Donnie see him, he gonna want them. She does. He can see the kids at the playground. How was first day of school?
Good.
It was good?
Yeah.
You like school?
Yeah.
Is it fun? All right, you like your teacher? Drumming player. So I was sitting with my daddy.
Rockstar.
Huh?
Can you do Rockstar?
Rockstar.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit later. Watch out, because he will swing and hurt somebody. I need my other drumstick, Daddy.
He gave it to you.
Did he?
Mm-hmm. There you go. Want this one too?
Mama, can you do Rockstar?
Can you get off my arm?
Have they ever caught you in the mail?
Rockstar.
I haven't checked the mail.
Did you
I haven't opened some mail. There's still a little bit of mail I haven't opened. But I haven't checked the mail in like 2 days, 2-3 days. Your brother being silly. Oh, Donovan, you being so rough. Can you do Rockstar? It has different things, and then it has one where the red light come on. That's where you hit. Is that the first one or the second one?
What's it? It got green.
Thank you for cleaning. Thank you for cleaning up, dude. There, I'm about to say it's some county game or something on there. Huh?
Can you do Rockstar?
Yes. Where's Daddy's phone? Ask Daddy put on Rockstar.
Can you do Rockstar?
So Daddy's not good to tell stories.
Hey, you have to fix your phone.
No, I gotta fix it.
Yeah. Because we got to fix it. We got fix it.
Hey, little spider monkey. What happened? Y'all ready to eat? What time is it now? Oh shit, ain't even 6 o'clock. That's early. Okay. It's still alright to eat early. I say it's still alright to eat
It's
early.
a bump.
It's a bump.
Yeah.
Well, don't scratch the bunk, okay? What'd you say, SJ? Daddy hungry? You hungry? I hope so. Dinner at the Grams. We got cornbread stuffing, turkey breast, white and purple carrots with vegetable, with broccoli and yumminess. That good? Does it smell like pizza? My baby said, is that pizza? We having some pizza? Mama stuffing and turkey breast smells good.
What's this?
You're moving way too fast for the camera. This is fun.
Oh, I do a backflip. flip.
On the game?
Yeah.
What you got going this day?
Oh! Okay.
Uh-oh.
Mom, joke. I do it. Oopsie. Like a mile away.
Yeah, it's not really all that close. You got a lot of ambition, buddy. How about you?
So far.
You got to work on aiming. You got to aim for the actual goal. All right, come on, y'all. It's time to come in. The mosquitoes are out. You stay out here. Let the bugs eat you. Yep.
Shiny, shiny.
Donnie, come on, babe.